Pleasant morning for everyone. My name is Grace, and this morning we will be talking about housekeeping. What is housekeeping? Housekeeping refers to the management and maintenance of a home or establishment, ensuring cleanliness, organization, and overall order. It involves tasks like cleaning, laundry, organizing space, and sometimes even meal preparation. In hotel and other hospitality settings, housekeeping is crucial for guest satisfaction, focusing on the upkeep of rooms, public areas, and facilities. Essentially, it's all about creating a comfortable and Housekeeping in a house involves a variety of tasks that contribute to maintaining a clean and organized living space, including cleaning, laundry organization, meal preparation, maintenance, grocery shopping. Housekeeping in lodging establishment, such as hotel or motel. Housekeeping is a critical department responsible for maintaining cleanliness, order, and overall guest satisfaction, including room cleaning, public area maintenance, laundry services, inventory management, guest requests, safety protocols, inspection. Overall effective housekeeping in lodging establishment enhance the guest experience and contribute to the establishment. In a hospital, housekeeping refers to the vital services that ensure a clean, safe, and sanitary environment for patient, staff, and visitor, including cleaning and disinfection, waste management, laundry services, floor care, environmental safety, support for patient care, compliance. Effective housekeeping in hospital is crucial for infection prevention, patient satisfaction, and smooth operation of healthcare facilities. There are two types of housekeeping: domestic and institutional housekeeping. Domestic housekeeping refers to the management and upkeep of a private household. It encompasses a range of tasks aimed at maintaining a clean, organized, and comfortable living environment. Domestic housekeeping includes the bedroom, kitchen, dining room, reception area, and lastly, the grounds and surrounding areas of the house. Institutional housekeeping refers to the cleaning and maintenance services provided in large facilities like school, universities, hospital, government buildings, and other institutions. This type of housekeeping focuses on maintaining a clean, safe, and hygienic environment for staff, students, patients, and visitors. It includes the following areas: guest rooms, hallways and corridors, lobby, restaurant, office, stairways, store or shop, ground and linen and laundry facilities. Scope of housekeeping maintenance. Guest room maintenance. Maintaining cleanliness and orderliness in the guest room. Furnishing the room with necessary amenities and supplies such as bed lines, appliances, etc. Attending to service requests of house guests. Keeping the area free of safety. Maintenance of public areas. Maintaining the cleanliness and orderliness in all public areas, which include lobby, corridors, function rooms, grounds, etc. Maintaining the upkeep of surroundings of the building by keeping right clean and free of litters. Maintaining an attractive landscape to enhance eye appeal. Keeping the public areas free of safety hazard. undertaking minor repair like busted bulbs, broken furniture, etc. Maintenance of linen or laundry service. Collecting and delivering laundry for house guests or in-house occupants. Washing, drying, ironing guest laundry as well as linen used in banquet function, food service, and guest room. Organizational chart of the housekeeping department. A housekeeping organizational chart with duties and responsibilities is essential for small to medium-sized businesses, particularly those in the hospitality industry. This chart provides guidance and clarity of managerial authority, lines of communication, and other specific human resources issues. The highest of the organization is executive housekeeper or housekeeping manager. Under the executive housekeeping, there are roomkeeping supervisor, public area supervisor, and linen and laundry supervisor. The executive housekeeper or director of housekeeping is the head of department and manage the housekeeping operation. He or she is committed to providing the highest level of comfort, hospitality to guests, which leads to achieving maximum guest satisfaction and organizational profitability. A housekeeping supervisor manage the housekeeping team, ensuring that guest room and public areas are clean and well maintained, including training staff, inspection cleanliness standards, managing inventory of supplies, addressing guests' concerns, and coordinating with other departments. Their role is vital for providing a high-quality guest experience. A public area supervisor is in charge of keeping communal space in a hotel or institutional clean and well-maintained, such as lobbies, corridors, and restrooms. Include handling employees conducting inspection to ensure standards are followed, working with other departments, and responding to guest comments. Their function is critical in ensuring pleasant environment for guests and visitors. The linen room supervisor is in charge of a linen and uniform room operations. He or she ensures that linens, towel, and staff outfits are properly stored. He or she reacts to demand of the guests. And he or she verifies
standards of ideal housekeeping. Cleanliness. All areas are immaculately clean, corner to corner, top to bottom, including surfaces, closets, cabinets, and storage areas are also kept clean. Furniture and fixtures are properly dusted. Doorknobs and metal fixtures are polished with the right metal polishing chemical. Windows and glass panels are dusted and polished. Floors are vacuumed, polished, or shampooed when necessary. Grounds are free of litters and dirt. All areas must be thoroughly cleaned, including corners and surfaces. Closets, cabinets, and storage areas are also maintained. Furniture and fixtures are dust-free. Doorknobs polished and windows clean. Floors should be vacuumed or polished as needed. And outdoor areas are littered. Orderliness. facilities and fixtures are properly arranged and installed in appropriate location. Room amenities are properly installed in appropriate location. Linen is neatly folded. Beds are made up properly. Linen is metered and wrinkle-free. Furniture, facilities, and room amenities should be well arranged in their proper locations. Beds must be neatly made with smooth, wrinkle-free linens, and everything should be in its designated. Sanitation. The whole area is free from all sources of bacteria, contamination such as undisposed garbage and leftover, stagnant water, and etc. Wet garbage is properly underlined with plastic, covered and disposed of regularly. All items for personal use of guests and which come in contact with the body like linen, cutleries, glasses, etc. are sanitized with sanitizing detergents to protect guests from bacterial contamination. The area should be free of anything that could cause bacterial contamination. Garbage must be disposed of properly and regularly. Items like linens, cutlery, and glasses that come into contact with guests are sanitized. Guest comfort. Rooms are properly ventilated and lighted. Guests are not distributed by noise and other forms of distractions. There are sufficient amenities for the comfort of guests like linen, toiletries, drinking glasses, and etc. Rooms should be well ventilated and adequately lit. Guests should be free from noise or distractions. And amenities like toiletries and linens should be sufficient to meet their needs. Eye appeal. Ambience is soothing to the eyes, not dim or dull. There is suitable interior design and proper blending of colors. No eyesore can be found in guest contact areas. Wall decors and TV sets are posted at eye level. The room design should be visually pleasant, with a harmonious color scheme and no unattractive elements in guest areas. Decorations and TV sets should be positioned at eye level for an appealing and safety. The rooms, function rooms, and public areas are free from any safety hazards like open electrical outlet, dangling wires, damaged tiles, slippery floors, broken chairs, and etc. Building is provided with all required safety facilities like ventilated fire exits, emergency alarm, fire extinguishers or hoses, luminous safety signs, and etc. Safety standards prescribed for building maintenance by the government are strictly enforced. Safety instructions during emergencies are available in all rooms. The hotel is prepared for any emergency, has well organized safety or emergency procedures, and emergency brigade. All staff are trained on emergency procedures. Trained roving guards are available to check movements in guest rooms and to ensure the protection of guests. Public and private areas must be free of hazards like exposed wires or slippery floors. The building should meet safety standards with emergency equipment like alarms, fire extinguishers, and clear safety instructions for guests. Staff must be trained in emergency procedures, and security is ensured with trained. Materials control and preventing maintenance. There is a designated budget for supplies and materials. Consumption of supplies is always monitored. Excessive consumption is determined and reported. Par stock requirements are maintained. Regular requisitions are made. All tools and equipments are stored safely in their appropriate storage. Chemicals are diluted properly and used sparingly. Supplies and materials are consumed within the limits of the budget. All appliances and equipments are regularly checked for any damage and maintained in safety. Working condition to avoid accidents. Losses, damages, and equipment breakdown are properly reported, documented, and accounted for given appropriate action. There is regular inventory of supplies and materials. Effective control measures are designed and enforced to prevent losses and pilferages. Regular cleaning and checkup of all equipment is undertaken. Staff is trained on the proper use and maintenance of equipment. Supplies are budgeted and monitored to prevent overuse. Equipment is checked regularly to ensure it's in good working condition, and damaged items are reported and repaired promptly. Proper inventory management is in place, and staff is trained to guest relations. Guest requests and concerns are given prompt and proper attention. Staff exhibit warm and pleasant disposition in dealing with guests. Tact and courtesy is observed in dealing with customer complaints. Customer feedback is solicited to determine guest satisfaction. Customer feedback and concerns are logged down and discussed for corrective action during meetings. Staff expresses warm appreciation and gratitude for guest patronage. Customer needs and concerns are promptly and properly attended. There is accurate and appropriate response to inquiries. Staff does out of their way to render extra service to guests. Guests with special problems like the sick, intoxicated ones, and etc. are given necessary assistance and support. Staff should address guest requests and concerns quickly and professionally. Courtesy is crucial when handling complaints, and feedback is gathered for improvement. Guests are treated warmly, and extra care is given to those with special needs. Feedback and concerns are logged for review. Distribution of housekeeping responsibilities. Housekeeping tasks are distributed to housekeeping personnel who are designated to perform the following functions and responsibilities. Executive housekeeper or housekeeping manager. Basic function: he is responsible for maintaining a smooth and efficient flow of operations in the housekeeping department. He sees to it that housekeeping maintenance is carried out in accordance with prescribed standards and As a planner and troubleshooter, the housekeeping manager shall formulate goals and targets as well as plans and strategies geared towards goal attainment. Prepare and submit operations budget and monitor consumption against the budget. Analyze variances against target and deviations from standards and take corrective actions. Determine the operational requirements of his/her department and coordinate with the purchasing department for the procurement of the said items. Take corrective action for any problem affecting the operation in his department. Attend to customer complaints. Coordinate with depart. As an organizer, she shall organize the flow of housekeeping operations, identify tasks to be one, and distribute them to his staff. Review or upgrade job description and job procedures. Review or upgrade operational policies as needed. Delegate side duties to subordinates. Leading and directing functions, she shall conduct job orientation and training of housekeeping personnel. Regularly conducts spot checks and routine inspection to ensure that housekeeping standards are complied with. Prepare and submit reports that required by management, such as critical incidents report, inventory report, and other documents as may be required by management. Boost employee morale and motivation through the effective use of motivational techniques. Provide supervision and coaching to section heads. Coordinate periodic inventory of housekeeping items and supplies. Keep track of losses and breakdown of equipment. Maintain par stock requirements. Initiates requisition as needed. Coordinates closely with front office on room assignments and reservations. Coordinate with the facilities maintenance section on matters requiring repair or troubleshooting of equipment and room facilities. Controlling function. He or she shall control and monitor expenses against the budget. Take appropriate action against excessive consumption. See to it that house rules and housekeeping policies are carried out by the respective units under him. Evaluate subordinates' performance and conduct appraisal interview. Enforce disciplinary action against erring employees. Conduct corrective interviews as needed. Look after the wear and tear of equipment. Look after their proper use, storage, and maintenance. Guest relations assistants. He or she shall check customer satisfaction, solicit feedback, and attend to customer needs. Handle guest complaints and take corrective action. Rooms maintenance supervisor. Basic function: to direct and control rooms keeping bath antes the room amenities. To install conformity to prescribed rooms keeping standards and policies. Duties and responsibilities. Conduct routine inspection to check the quality of room makeup. Make sure that the rooms are installed with standard room amenities and that the area is free of safety hazards. Also check if there is anything that needs repair or corrective actions. Check room status during room check. Prepares and distributes room status report to front desk and to rooms attendants. Look after the proper use, storage, and maintenance of housekeeping tools and supplies. And regular check the condition and maintenance of housekeeping equipment. Have them cleaned regularly. Initiate service requests to defective items. Check and maintain par stock. Make requisition whenever needed. Initiate and supervise the weekly inventory of room supplies and other housekeeping items. Report losses and damages and take corrective actions against reckless use of equipment. See to it that superior is informed of all unusual incidents and accidents in one's area of responsibility. Train, coach, and supervise room boys and chambermaids, attend to the performance evaluation of his subordinates, conduct appraisal interview, personally attend to VIP guests and their requirements, attend to guest complaints, inquiries, and requests and complaints, coordinate with front office regarding changes in room status and bookings, with maintenance unit regarding request for repair or maintenance, perform other related duties as may be assigned by
Head houseman or public area supervisor. A head houseman or public area supervisor plays a vital role in maintaining the cleanliness and upkeep of public spaces in hotels, resorts, or large establishments. Their primary responsibility is to oversee the housekeeping staff or housemen assigned to these areas, ensuring that spaces like lobbies, hallways, restrooms, and meeting rooms are always clean and well maintained and presentable. They supervise daily cleaning operations, inspect work to ensure it meets the maintenance needs. In addition to supervision, they are responsible for training new staff on proper cleaning procedures, safety protocols, and equipment use. The head houseman also manages cleaning supplies, ensuring inventories are well stocked and equipment is in good condition. Coordination with other departments, such as front desk and maintenance, is essential to address guest needs or resolve issues promptly. Health and safety compliance is another key aspect of the role, as they ensure all cleaning practices adhere to regulations and address any potential hazards. Furthermore, they assist with preparing and maintaining public areas during special events or high occupancy periods, making them a crucial figure in maintaining a welcoming and pleasant environment for guests, which directly impacts guest satisfaction and the overall reputation of the property. The houseman. The houseman plays a vital logistical role by assisting the minibar runner or attendant with physically demanding tasks such as moving supplies and equipment used to restock minibars throughout the hotel or resort. Housemen also help maintain cleanliness in public areas, hallways, and storage spaces, ensuring that the minibar runner has clean and organized workspaces. This logistical support is especially important in large properties where restocking can be a time-consuming and labor-intensive task. The houseman's contribution to cleanliness and organization supports a faster and more efficient minibar service, ensuring guests receive prompt attention. Powder Girl. The Powder Girl focuses primarily on cleaning guest rooms and common areas, such as restrooms. However, their proximity to minibars in guest rooms gives them the opportunity to assist in monitoring minibar stock levels. While cleaning rooms, the Powder Girl may notice if items have been consumed and alert the minibar runner or attendant so that restocking can occur promptly. Additionally, they ensure that the minibar and surrounding areas are clean, contributing to a well-maintained and presentable guest room. This attention to detail helps ensure that guests have a positive impression of both the room and minibar service, even they are not directly responsible for restocking the minibar itself. The gardener and grounds maintenance crew. The gardener and grounds maintenance crew may seem unrelated to minibar service at first glance, but their work plays a crucial supporting role, especially in properties where minibars are located in outdoor areas, such as poolside or garden rooms. They ensure that pathways and outdoor spaces are well maintained, clear, and accessible for the minibar runner or attendant, making it easier to transport supplies and restock outdoor minibars efficiently. Additionally, the crew's efforts in maintaining aesthetically pleasing grounds enhance the overall guest experience, creating an inviting and luxurious environment that complements the minibar service. So, overall, these rules work in tandem with the minibar runner or attendant to ensure that minibar services run smoothly and contribute to a seamless and enjoyable guest experience. Effective collaboration and communication between these staff members improved operational efficiency, allowing the hotel or resort to deliver property and environment. Their primary function is to identify, control, and prevent infestations of pests such as insects, rodents, and other small animals in residential, commercial, or industrial spaces. Pest control technician assess the extent of pest problems, determine the appropriate treatment plans, and use various methods such as chemical sprays, traps, or biological solution to eliminate the pest. They are also responsible for educating clients on how to prevent future infestation through proper sanitation and maintenance practices. In addition to treatment, pest control technicians ensure all procedures comply with safety and environmental regulations as they handle potentially hazardous substances. Regular inspection and follow-up visits are also part of their duties to monitor the effectiveness of treatments and provide ongoing prevention solutions. Their work is critical for maintaining safe, healthy environments by controlling pests that could cause structural damage, spread diseases, or contaminate food and living areas.